Traffic. Traffic.
Ah,
we have the traffic inside the Wamos Air. Good, straight ahead now. Inside.
Okay, Delta Romeo Echo, Roger, thank you much. You're number 1, contact southbound 118.0.
Number 1180 at Wamos Echo. Thank you, bye-bye.
Mr. Tranquility, Roger.
Tower today, Delta Charlie Hotel Romeo Echo, on a final for runway 31 running inside.
Delta Charlie Hotel Romeo Echo, Reykjavik Tower. Units 1012 hectopascal, continue approach here, number 1 for runway 31.
Continue approach, number 1 and confirm we are approved to descend below 2000.
Affirm, you can descend below 2000, number 1 runway 31.
Roger that, Romeo Echo.
Good Tower, Roger 26. Roger 26 Tower. Approaching Gunners Albany 2000 feet to request Baltic. Roger 26, that's approved. Report passing Stipla for runway 31 and check inbound traffic on VFR route number 4 approaching Gunners Albany. Approaching Stipla number 4. Roger 26. So 26, check inbound traffic on VFR route number 4 approaching Gunners Albany, maintain 2000 feet initially. Which is back the traffic, Roger 26. There are actually 2 aircraft. You should be inbound on VFR route number 4. Looking forward, the other 2 traffic, Roger 26 by Eurowings 4. Delta Charlie Hotel Romeo Echo, wind northerly at 10 knots, you're clear to land runway 31.
Clear to land runway 31, Delta Charlie Hotel Romeo Echo.
Delta Lima Oscar, confirm we can approach runway 0119.
1000.
Echo Lima Oscar, you can cross runway 19 to parking. Roger, crossing 0119 and confirm that to Alpha. Yeah, just continue on Echo, it's on Echo taxiway, and you should have your marshal set at approximately 1 o'clock. Roger, continue on Echo.
approaching 1,200 available.
Approaching minimums. 500. Minimums.
Go Alpha, Roger. Roger 261 passing.
50.
Stipla, you can descend below 2000
30.
feet. You are number 1 runway 31.
10.
Passing Stipla, standing below 2000, number 1 runway 31. Roger 26.
600 remaining.
Delta Charlie Hotel Romeo Echo will make a 180,
remaining.
then make it left on Echo, cross 19ers to parking.
Delta Charlie Romeo, Delta Charlie Hotel Romeo Echo, vacate via Echo.